in the front, you have to sit down. Working hard out here. Uh-oh. She's going for her fourth win. Is she gonna do it?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2.
Nice. That was excellent. That was like a final battle. But you got more.
All right, judges. 3, 2, 1.
Is that a tie?
No, he's going
Are
to
we
go.
canceling out?
No, Sheena.
Woo! Sheena, moving on.
That was a crazy round.
She's our current leader right now.